has claimed that the party high command has given a clear signal that there won't be any leadership change in the state, and his father, in fact, Siddaramaiah, is going to be the chief minister for full 5 years, and he has in fact called everything else a mere speculation, and he has confirmed that Siddaramaiah, his father, in fact, is going to continue as the chief minister for 5 years. He's going to complete his term as the CM. Let's go across to my colleague Imran, joining us live right now for more on this. Imran, big statement there coming in from Congress MLC Yatindra Siddaramaiah, who's also the son of the chief minister, that the High Command has given a clear signal that this matter has been settled. There's going to be no leadership change at all. So is that the final thing now, what he's saying, or is that his side of the story?
No. This the whole leadership tussle issue is with the chief minister and deputy chief minister D.K. Shivakumar, whereas the deputy chief minister says that he's also equally contributed for the party and for the party to come to power in Karnataka. What D.K. Shivakumar's claim is that the chief minister had his term. He is also got the longest serving as a chief minister. He had his term as when power came to power. There was a promise between them. There was an agreement that after 2.5 years he had to step down, and he hasn't kept up his promise, and that's the reason why he is putting a pressure on High Command to keep up the word to what they had promised to him, that he will step down, but he hasn't. And now, however, he said that because the elections are coming, they've been asked to wait for some more time. His supporters are demanding that they should, after the elections, the chief minister should keep his word and step down. Where the chief minister says that there is no such demand. And in fact, his son has now even reiterated the fact that when asked about some of his supporters, D.K. Shivakumar supporter, again raising the voice, he said that the matter seems to have been settled. Right. The High Command is silent. They haven't given any word on it. And his father will continue for the next 5 years. Right. What exactly is it? Is it in High Command's mind, and especially in Rahul Gandhi? Nobody knows, especially only for people close to him. What we can speculate is that at the moment High Command doesn't want any change till the elections in the 4 states are over. Probably the talk about CM change will likely to happen. We were hearing that the High Command is going to wait for Bihar elections to get over. And now you're telling us that there are other crucial elections lined up this year. So perhaps after that, only the High Command is going to look at this particular issue. Stay on with us, Imran. Let's listen into this reaction we got from Yatindra Siddaramaiah, who is a Congress MLC and also the son of the chief minister.
ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಮನ್ನಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 5 ವರ್ಷ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಗೊಂದಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಬಾಯ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಂಬ್ತೀನಿ.
ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ನೇನು ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸದನ ಮುಂದುವರೆದ್ರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಡೇಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇತ್ಯರ್ಥ.
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.